Two steps forward, one step back. The 13th Amendment, the Southern response, and the Radicals strike back. Abraham Lincoln's dream of ending slavery in the United States finally became reality in December 1865 when the 13th Amendment was finally ratified by the states. It guaranteed the end of slavery except as punishment for a crime in the United States. The problem for the now former slaves was that very little had changed for them. Many Southern states passed black codes, which set up curfews for African Americans, limited the types of jobs they could have, and limited them to farming or housework, forced them to sign year-long contracts, or put them in jail for not having a job. In response to this, the radical Republicans in Congress passed the Civil Rights Act of 1866. It made all people born in the United States citizens, regardless of race, color, or previous condition of servitude or slavery. This bill also allowed all Americans, without regard to race, to enjoy, quote, full and equal benefit of all laws and proceedings for the security of person and property, end quote. This meant that any citizen could make and enforce contracts, sue and be sued, give evidence in court, and buy and sell property. In the end, it went a long way to giving African Americans not only the equal opportunity that Lincoln said was guaranteed to them in the Declaration of Independence, but also the legal equality that the radical Republicans believed was one of the reasons for the Civil War. President Andrew Johnson, a Democrat from Tennessee, who became president after Lincoln's assassination, vetoed the bill, believing that it went too far and gave too many rights to African Americans that they had not earned. The radical Republicans were able to override Johnson's veto and make the Civil Rights Act of 1866 a law. But they grew increasingly concerned that the Supreme Court would find the law unconstitutional, and their next goal was to make sure that could not happen.